In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Bible app not loading. If your YouVersion Bible app is stuck on the loading screen or verses never appear, we will walk through some simple checks together. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Look at the top of your screen and confirm you see the usual Wi-Fi bars or a mobile data symbol. If you see an exclamation mark or no symbol at all, the app may not be able to reach the servers that load your Bible text and reading plans. Now turn airplane mode on and off, then try again. Open your quick settings, tap airplane mode once to turn it on, wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. This forces your phone to drop and then rebuild all its network connections, which often fixes hidden connection glitches. After that, reopen the Bible app and see if the loading spinner disappears and your home screen or reading plan appears normally. Next, update the app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone or iPad. On the store home screen, you will see a search bar at the top. Tap in that search bar and type YouVersion Bible App, then tap Search so you open the app page. From there, check if an update is available. On that page, if you see a button that says Update, tap it to install the latest version. If the button only says Open, you already have the latest version. Updates often fix crashing or endless loading bugs, and they install in the background, so you can just wait until the progress circle finishes. Once the update completes, you can tap Open right from that same screen to launch the app again. Now clear the app local cache. Open the Bible app as you normally would from your home screen or app drawer. When it opens, look at the bottom or top navigation bar and tap U, which is the tab for your profile area. On the U screen, you will see options related to your account and activity. Next up, tap Settings. This opens the Settings page where you can control app behavior and storage-related options. On Android, scroll until you see Clear Local Cache and tap it. The app may pause for a moment and then return you to the same screen. Clearing the local cache removes temporary Bible files and images, which can fix corrupted data that keeps the app stuck on loading. After that, restart your device. Hold your power button, choose Restart or Power Off and On, and wait for your phone or tablet to fully boot back up. Restarting clears memory and background processes that might interfere with the Bible app. Once your home screen returns, open the Bible app again and check whether the loading screen now passes and your usual content appears. At this point, clear the app storage cache from your system settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, then find Bible app, then Storage and Cache. On that screen, tap Clear Cache. You will usually see the cache size drop to 0 right away, and your main Bible data stays linked to your account in the cloud, so your reading plans and highlights should come back once the app reconnects. You have now walked through the key fixes to get the YouVersion Bible app loading again and showing your Bible content normally. If this helped you get your Bible reading back, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple tech fixes like this.